at this Husky electrician's tool bag, and it's going to be real quick because it's pretty sturdy. It's got a lot of good pockets in it. It seems to be well made, and it initially looked like a good purchase. This is going to be real quick because I'm not going to recommend it, and here's why. When it was packaged, these flaps were put down and there was a zip tie across them, and that's how it was shipped, and they were real flat. There wasn't any tools in here then, so they were kind of pushed way down like this. Okay, when I opened it, you can see they're still kind of bent over, and as far as I can tell, there is no way to force these to stay upright. And also when you carry it, it pulls them in. So although the thing is well made and certainly useful, every time you have to get a tool out of the center of it, you have to use two hands. You have one hand to pull the flap back and the other hand to get the tool out to get this out of the way. And I've tried and tried and tried to get this to straighten out, and it won't straighten. So for that reason alone, I would not recommend this. Don't waste your money on it. Find something either with a hard handle across here that holds it open, or just get a different style, because unfortunately that one full out ruins the whole bag. So it's unfortunate, but that's what it is. So my recommendation is not to spend your money on this bag. And as I said, it's from Husky, it's from Home Depot, and it's just a shame somebody didn't think it all the way through, and a small modification to this could have made it a good product, but as it stands, it's not. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and you'll take care of yourselves.